Hello, gorgeous, glamorous babes. How are you today? So happy to see you. You are, as usual, looking fantastic, by the way. Fantastic. So today what we're going to do is just some colorful, fun, flower, butterfly, awesome nails. I need brightness in my life right now. The world is dark enough and nails do not need to be dark if you need brightness in your life. If you like dark nails, I like dark nails too. I'm not poo-pooing dark nails. Come at me if you need to, but I'm not poo-pooing it. I love the dark nails. I'm just saying sometimes you need brightness in your life, and we're going to do bright nails. Now, we're starting off with some white on those 3 tips, and then we're going to do some gorgeous, bright, greeny, yellowy green color. It's called Celery. It's by CND Creative Play. The white is by Modelones, and on top of that white, we're using these neon pigments that I got from Ownest. I got them on Amazon, but they're from the brand Ownest. So if you like these, you'll know what to look up. And I'm just dabbing those on there. The Modelones has a slight sticky layer, not a super bad one, just a slight one. And it's just enough to hold on to these pigments. Now, it will not like just stay there forever, right? You're going to have to top coat or base coat them. And of course, we are going to base coat them before we move into our next step. But I just wanted to take all these bright colors. We're going to use the green, the blue, the pink, one of the pinks. There's 3 pinks in that set, which I think is a bit overkill. There's also like 3 oranges, and I'm like, guys, come on. It's kind of like ColourPop. Have you guys ever noticed that a vast majority of ColourPop palettes tend to be mostly orange? I don't know why that is, but it kind of cracks me up. But anyway, guys, I do want to apologize while I'm putting this on here that the video is so late today. It's a little late because I was handling my business. Let's just put it that way. I was handling my business, and some of my business is that I'm not sure if I mentioned this to you guys. I'm trying to move to Las Vegas. Right now I live in California. I live in Fresno, California. But not for long because I'm moving to Vegas. Not because I'm a big fan of Vegas, but my whole family, like my immediate family, my children and my grandchildren live there, and I want to be with them. There's 2 babies and I'm missing it. And my oldest granddaughter is an adult, and I'm missing that. And my teenage grandson and my teenage granddaughter, I want to be an influence in their life. I want to be part of their lives, and I'm not. And it really saddens me. Now that we've got all the colors on, we are coming in with some base coat, and this base coat is by Enail Couture. It's just their regular base coat. I will say they have pretty bottles, but the plastic handles are rather cheap. And like my top coat, it completely disintegrated and fell apart. So that's kind of annoying, but that's not what we're talking about. So now on these green nails, I'm going to come in with some holographic gleam. Wow. The English language. I'm good at it. I'm going to come in with this holographic green glitter, and we are going to add some butterflies to that as well, because I got them and they match, and hello, why wouldn't you use them? And I'm just using a paintbrush to put the glitter on, because it'll just stick in the bristles, right? And then the base coat will grab it. And then I'm using some tweezers to put those little butterflies in. Then we're going to cure that up. And now back to the colorful, well, they're all colorful nails. Back to the multicolor nails, we're going to do some stamping. And we're going to do flowers and butterflies. And these flowers come from a Born Pretty, it's linked below, Born Pretty stamping plate. And we're doing some little flowers, and then I'm going to put a butterfly on there as well. But we're going to start with this butterfly first on the other nail. I didn't think of the other butterfly right away. It'll come. It's coming. Now, I wish I'd used a different color for the veining on the wings on this butterfly, because this plate from Joy, I think it's 2 Joy, again, it'll be linked below, it has layers kind of like the clear jelly stampers do. So that's pretty cool because you get the veining in the wings. And I'm just going to, instead of doing the wide on that stamper, I'm just going to do straight down the middle. And I think it just matches up really cute. And then there's our other butterfly. And this one, I got it a little off center. But I thought it looked cute anyway. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go with it. And now it's time to come in with that top coat, guys. So anyway, back to my story really, really fast. I am going to be moving. I talked to the apartment complex I'm going to be moving into, and it looks like I have a date that's going to be solidified either today or tomorrow. So I'm super excited about that. Look at that glitter shine, you guys. Look at that glitter shine. So the next month is going to be super busy for me. I've got boxes to get and packing to do and cleaning to do. But I'm not that messy, so it's not going to be that hard. I'm a little cluttery, but I'm not gross, right? I'm just a little cluttery. Guys, I love these nails. They came out so pretty. The more I look at them, the more I like them. They're just so for that girl that likes brights, or guy. We don't discriminate here. We're just about done top coating, and this is the finished set. Guys, we'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.